Hey y'all, today we are in the kitchen making fried ribs and you do not want to miss this. All right, so I am using baby back ribs. You can use any cut of rib that you like as long as it's pork. I'm just going to take a small incision and pull off that membrane on the back of the ribs. It's kind of tough when you cook it, and then it just allows for flavor to get through there. So I'm going to pull this off. I'm going to rinse and pat dry my ribs, and then I'm going to cut them in individual sections. All right, so make sure your knife is really sharpened when you do this. I actually need to sharpen my knife, so it took a little bit of work, but I'm going to cut these individually, and then we are going to season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne, paprika, and a little bit of ginger. I also have some flour, and I'm going to put those same seasonings in there as well. I just wanted to say I appreciate you guys for watching, whether you are new or returning. If you are new, please make sure you subscribe. We appreciate if you guys would like and share this video. That really helps me get my videos pushed out to the rest of the YouTube world. But here I am adding the seasonings to the flour. Just going to mix that up. I'm going to spoon out a little bit of the seasoning into a separate bowl, and this is going to be for our wet mixture. I'm going to add, I'd say, maybe a half a cup of water and a half a cup of flour, and then just going to stir that around. And then we are going to do the, of course, wet and dry method. I'm going to dip my ribs into the wet mixture. Make sure that you shake off the excess really well, and then you can put it in your bowl. If you have a brown paper bag, that works as well too. You know, that's old school. So just making sure I get all the excess off. Then I am going to put it into the flour. I do have my vegetable oil in a cast iron skillet in the back. It is on medium high, heating up while I do this part. So then you just want to put the lid over there and shake, and then we'll go to the next step. All right, so I am putting the ribs in, and I let them fry maybe about 10 minutes total, maybe about 3 to 2 minutes on each side. I did kind of flip them on the back side and then on their actual side, as you'll see in the video, just so that they're cooked all the way through. It's basically like frying pork chops. It's just a different kind of cut. So yeah, I fried this, and now I'm flipping it, and then I'll put them on a paper towel. And these were so good. I love adding ginger to my fried chicken, my fried pork chops. It just enhances the flavor so much. But this is them. They came out so good, you guys. As always, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you for watching. Comment below what you'd like me to see me make next in my next video, and I'll try to get that out for you. I'll talk to you guys later. I got a little taste test at the end, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye. Oh my God.